Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest summer essentials out there, the Intex 58849EP Kool Splash Inflatable Water Slide. If you're looking to turn your backyard into a water park, this might just be the perfect addition for you. Stick around as we explore what makes this slide stand out from the rest. First off, let me tell you why this slide has been flying off the shelves. It's not just any water slide, it's the best Intex slide you can find in the market right now. Whether you're a kid or a kid at heart, this slide promises hours of fun under the sun. Made from durable 20-gauge vinyl with strong fused seams, the Intex 58849EP is built to last the entire summer season. It's equipped with 5 separate air chambers for added safety, along with built-in sprayers that keep the slide surface wet and slippery, perfect for that exhilarating ride into the pool. Setting up the slide is a breeze, and it's compatible with most in-ground and above-ground pools with a sufficient deck height. Climbing up is made easy thanks to the heavy-duty climbing handles. And there's even a soft landing pad extension for a safe splashdown every time. Now, let's talk user experience. From families hosting pool parties to kids simply looking to beat the heat, the Intex 58849EP delivers on fun and safety. It's designed for ages 6 and up, with a weight limit of 176 pounds, ensuring everyone can join in on the fun. Compared to other inflatable slides, the Intex 58849EP stands out for its sturdy construction and thoughtful design. It's not just about the slide itself but also the peace of mind knowing it's backed by a reliable brand like Intex. Maintenance is simple with the included repair patch kit, and storing it away during the off-season is hassle-free. Just deflate, dry, and store it in a cool, dry place until the next sunny day calls for some splashing fun. Wrapping up, if you're on the hunt for a water slide that ticks all the boxes: durability, safety, and most importantly, endless fun, the Intex 58849EP Kool Splash is your go-to choice. It's no wonder it's been rated as the #1 best-seller in inflatable pool water slides. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.